Good afternoon. Welcome everybody to our daily agenda for April 20th. So for today, our do now is Quill. Today we are looking at the actual digital portfolios you will be using and how it can help you guys learn to showcase your learning. All right, so you guys today are going to be looking into how to create our digital portfolios and the digital portfolio checklist. We are actually going to also go through a example of our digital portfolios today, and we're going to work together to kind of solve some errors just so that you guys can get comfortable using the mechanics in your Chromebooks, so that way I don't got any questions today. All right, as always, if you do have questions, though, stop me or leave them in the chat either here or on GoGuardian. So starting our digital portfolios, these are located in your Google Classroom. The directions and the checklist are included and they are on your portfolios. They're going to be due Sunday, May 2nd, all right? Our checklist. So it looks like a lot. Don't worry, folks. It's not. You guys have already done all of these assignments. So you're already halfway there. So for today, you will be working on your 30-day writing challenge. That's what I want you guys to focus inputting into your showcase. But you will also be putting all of your argumentative writing process, so everything that had your TPAC, your article annotations, your graphic organizer, that final essay, all of that beautiful work is going to go into a section. Then your Hunger Games, you guys are going to pick your favorite assignment. The Outsiders, the free writes, your final GATE showcase, so the final slides, and then your 2021 vision board, and your final reflection. Your final reflection, I'm going to give you guys some more information on how to do that later on, so don't worry about it quite yet. All right, so let's look at what your digital portfolios actually look like. So this is what your digital portfolios will look like. You guys are kind of, doing a gallery walk, so I wanted to make it feel like you guys were displaying your beautiful art. If you guys want to move things around a little bit and change it and customize it, feel free. That's okay as well. So this is the big one you guys are going to be focusing on today, how to input your 30-day writing challenge. But just to kind of briefly, so you can see the other ones, there's your argumentative writing practice, your graphic organizer kind of essay, your other projects, so the Hunger Games, your GATE showcase, your vision board, and then your final reflection. So that's where that's going to go. Don't worry about the final reflection again just yet, ladies and gentlemen. For today, just focus on the 30-day writing challenge, okay? So what we will be doing today, ladies and gentlemen, today we are actually going to do a little bit of an example one together. You guys are going to help me edit the digital portfolio of somebody. So you guys are going to help me give me the name, help show me how to put an image right here, your image preferably. I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to walk you through how to actually input the 30-day writing challenge. So I will show you guys how to do this. Together we're going to talk about, well, what was the 30-day writing challenge about? And we will make a full sentence here. What was your biggest obstacle during this assignment? And you guys will give me a full sentence. And same for this one. We'll do it together. And I will walk you guys how to hyperlink here. And then how to screenshot here. On your GATE showcase, I wanted to show you guys what a quote-unquote completed one looked like, but this one's full of errors. So this is not a full sentence. It's just about talking. I don't take one-word answers, you guys. So you guys are going to have to show me a little bit more. What about talking? Or I don't take nothing, so you guys got to give me a little bit more. All right? And then I have a hyperlink here, but it's the wrong link, and it's not hyperlinked. So you guys are going to have to help me now that I've shown you how to do it. And then this is not cropped right. It's not even the right picture. So you guys are going to have to help me learn to fix it. And then these are some more directions on how to actually do each step if you're still a little bit confused. I wanted to make sure you guys had that. All right, guys, this is what we're going to be doing today. What we're going to be focusing on. Our exit ticket for the day is name 2 things you learned today and 1 thing that still really confuses you. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions or need anything, please, you can send me an email. You can reach out to Ms. Arroyo or Ms. Reyes, and we'll be able to answer those. I'll see you guys in class.